Alright, I don't want to use it as an excuse, but during my warm-up I was feeling a little bit lethargic in my legs. So we'll see how this race goes. Doing another one of these crit races. "12 miles. I didn't really look over the details or anything like that. I just saw it, thought I would join. I don't know why my guy's outlined. My guy's outlined right now. Got the arrow. Alright, looks like we're gonna need my phone for this. Gotta get the companion app open. How many people we got in this race? 21. Alright. We gotta do our best to suck up the inclines. Make sure we don't get dropped. That's the hardest part. It'll probably be best to save. Oh shit, 7% already. Probably be best to save my boosts, power-ups, whatever they're called, for that time, whenever there's inclines. But my phone is not connecting. It's not that it's not connecting, the app's just not loading right now. So this is not good. Gonna have to try and maintain and keep up until it does work. Because right now, the app is not loading for some reason. Come on. Oh no, we're in last. Load. Load. Why is it not loading? Let's try turning that off. Okay, we're in. Now we need the Wi-Fi to work. There we go. All right, we got it. I think another power up is going to be coming because the round's going to end or lap. So I might as well use it before that. I think I'm getting it right now. I heard that you can still get it as long as you use it. Yep, looks like you can. Perfect. Perfect timing. And we got another aero boost. All right, we were able to keep up with them without using our power-ups. Got a good idea of the lap. It's nothing too crazy, like that last one that I did, where it had like that one whole segment was like an incline. There's just like this hill right here, these hills. And then I think there's a small incline after it. And then there's also those cobblestones. So just gotta pay attention to everything. Use it accordingly. Should be good. Suck it up during those intense efforts. And hopefully be fighting for the finish. One thing that I was thinking about for maybe it applies to these races, but mainly the swim classes that I'm in, is that just surrounding myself with all those people helps elevate me to another level. Because after a swim class, when we've already got, say, 4,500 yards, 5,000 yards, and the class is done, seeing the people in the class end up going and doing more laps on top of that once we're done, it just elevates you to want to do more, to try and keep up. And I think that's similar to doing these races, whereas if I wasn't doing these races, I would just be going out for regular old strolls and not really having that intense effort. Where with these races, being around these guys forces me to actually put in a good effort, and then I get good rides in. It's just going back to the old adage of you're the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with. And surrounding yourself with people that are better than you or striving for more or that are able to push you just helps elevate you in what you're able to put in your effort. Makes you think bigger too. Because once I started going to those swim lessons, what I thought was a lot at one point turned out to not be very much. Turned out to basically be a warm-up. So it was a big shift in my mindset, where it's like, what you're actually doing is not as much as you thought it was. You need to step it up. And man, am I ever sweating. I need like 5 more fans on me. I think the nice thing about this course is I'm solid in the gear that I'm currently in. And I don't think I'm really ever going to change it. Unless I'm like getting dropped, like I kind of am right now. Or at the end of the race. Where I might need to go into an extra gear. Put in extra effort, but for the most part, I think I'm going to be staying on this gear, which is nice, because I'm pretty lazy. Oh man, they're picking up the pace. I'm tired. Sweating buckets. Oh, these segments do suck though. The rolling hills. Ooh, that tires the legs out a lot. I think it's going to be tough to keep up with them for 6 more laps. Those rolling hills really take a toll on your legs. I wonder if using this during that segment is good. I'm gonna shift up. Shift up and try it. A couple of them trying to take off. Not good. Gotta try and keep up. Well, looks like I was able to keep up, but I don't have a power up for the rest of this lap. See if that affects it. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be tough to keep up. My legs are getting tired. Does seem like there are a few that are pulling away. Oh, in first for a second. Stop going so fast. No. Let's slow down for a bit. Come on, guys. All right. It's not looking very promising for Tyler. Oh man, we just about halfway through. I don't know if I can maintain this. Seems like they're speeding up too with every lap, which just makes it that much harder. What was my lap time on that one? Oh, I'm so tired. Over halfway done. See if I can hang on. We all need to like chill out and have a nice recovery lap, because we're going way too hard. I feel like the crazy part about this, Cat A and Cat B, the wattage that we're averaging, they would be like well above this, and that would be like easy for them. Finished first on that lap. That's a first. It does honestly look like we are improving our laps each time. I think that was a lot harder than what it's been when I've been using the draft boost or whatever it was. Well, I feel like I've hung in longer than I expected. I don't think I expected to stick with them this long. The intensity that we're going at, the way I'm feeling. Oh man, made it this far. Let's do our best to make it all the way. Almost there. Yeah, we're like nearly negative splitting this. It's insane. We should not be getting faster. We should be getting slower. I'm using this. I don't like this part. I think I really like that draft boost part, power up. Gets me through this whole segment. It makes it a lot easier. It's actually insane how much easier it makes it. Don't get dropped. Come on, man. Stick with them. Only a couple more laps. See if we can hang with them. Sweating buckets here, as I always do. I feel like I'm fine with those guys trying to take off right now, as long as I don't get to the back of this pack. Because I'm assuming the group will ride faster than riding individually. And we'll end up catching up to them anyways. Just gotta make sure I don't fall behind. Follow to the group, which I'm doing right now. Two more laps. Come on. Come on, give me a draft boost. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. That's what we wanted. A couple of them are taking off. This lap's been an absolute grind. Trying to keep up and catch up to those guys. Caught up to a few of them, but there's two that are just hanging on. We do have a bigger group, so it makes me think that we can go faster if we all drift together. But those guys are far ahead. And we'd have to stick together. All right, last lap. Hell yeah. Wow, last lap I just had my fastest segment there. Man, those two guys took off. Yeah, it's a race between those two and now it's us. They separated. Oh, all right, almost done. Half a mile. Hang in there. I think I did a lot better than I expected to. Surprised I hung in. Gotta try and keep up. Almost done. That guy probably got enough distance to give him that second or third spot. Ah, that guy had a strong push. Oh my God. All the way through. Damn. Those guys took off. Can't keep up. Dang. I think those top two guys, they finished within a second of each other. That's wild. They took off. Well, I think I definitely did better than I expected from the way I was feeling. Halfway through, thought I was gonna get dropped. I think those power-ups with the draft boost really helped out and saved me whenever I got them. Using them during those rolling hills, that really helped. Oh, that was a tough race. Good one though. Definitely feel the burn in my legs. But, oh man, those two guys, they took off. One day I'll be that good. Just gotta keep training. Time in the saddle. Let's go. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.